From above, Camp Nou is no longer just a construction site. It is now a structure coming alive in real time. The compression ring is in one of its most active phases yet, with TC3 crane operations lifting and placing massive box segments across key sectors. Multiple areas of the stadium are now moving in sync. Lamella systems and structural alignments are advancing together, pushing the stadium deeper into its final form. And in today's update, we break down how this transformation is unfolding across every level of Camp Nou. Another major step forward took place today at the Spotify Camp Nou, as the TC3 crane continued installing new compression ring box segments around the Gol Sud sector. In a huge surprise, 3 massive sections were lifted in a single day, showing the rapid pace now being reached on the upper structure of the stadium. Meanwhile, facade progress also continues accelerating, with LED lighting systems and aluminum profiles appearing across the exterior structure. The 4th segment, Box 35, was guided into its final position between the pillars and successfully installed after precise alignment adjustments. We move down to the 2nd level of the overhang at the Gol Sud sector, where active construction continues at full pace. Workers are cutting concrete blocks on site, shaping the internal structure beneath the 3rd tier, while reinforcement bars and steel armatures remain visible across multiple sections. Just below the stands, new block walls are taking shape, forming future internal spaces such as service and support rooms. The structure is becoming more defined day by day, showing steady structural development in this key section. On the upper working platforms, multiple crews are operating simultaneously, continuing assembly and safety installations across scaffolding systems that are extending to higher levels again. Further along the Gol Sud lateral side, large stacks of sandwich panels are positioned for upcoming installation phases, indicating the next stage of exterior finishing is approaching. We move into the first VIP overhang of Ring B, where the connection between structural cores and interior systems is now clearly taking shape. After a short gap, returning to this zone reveals a noticeable transformation, with walls, profiles, and enclosure systems now significantly more advanced. What once felt like raw structure is now transitioning into a defined architectural space, gradually revealing the premium experience this level of the stadium is designed to deliver. Construction continues along the lateral side of the first overhang, where structural work is advancing across the steel framework and support system. Concrete works are also ongoing, strengthening and consolidating the base as remaining sections are shaped. At the same time, facade installation activities are progressing in parallel, with crane operations handling material placement across this section. The structural form is now clearly defined as finishing works continue. Integrated LED lighting systems are also being installed across the upper framework, gradually shaping the stadium's emerging nighttime visual identity. The corner sector around Gol Norte continues to show strong construction activity, with radial beams and lamella-related components being delivered and organized for compression ring works. Large quantities of materials remain stored across the area, including beams with lifting slings still attached, indicating upcoming installation phases. Assembly and positioning work continues behind the main structural beam areas. On the facade side, some lamella elements are already installed in front sections, while other areas remain open and incomplete. Aerial platforms are intermittently active, indicating transition between installation phases. Finishing works are also progressing in the mobility core zone, where structural beams are being painted while lower sections remain under completion. The Gol Norte sector continues steady progress, with aerial platforms active across multiple levels. Workers are carrying out alignment tasks, adjusting guide systems, and fixing anchor points for upcoming lamella installation. Vertical guidelines are clearly visible across the facade, extending down toward lower structure levels, ensuring precision before cladding installation. Additional lamella materials are already delivered and organized nearby, confirming installation readiness is increasing. In the central section of Gol Norte, painting works are actively progressing on structural beams. Crews are coating exposed surfaces, including supports and connection points, as part of the final preparation phase. Several beams are completed, while others remain in progress, showing a structured finishing sequence across the area. Elsewhere in the mobility core zone, some lower structural elements are still awaiting completion for future installations. The corner sector near Tribuna shows resumed construction activity after a long pause, with concrete and structural adjustments continuing in key unfinished sections. Behind the framework, new pipes are being installed and aligned between steel brackets, with workers focusing on securing structural connections for upcoming phases. Support components are already stored on site, and several anchor points have recently been installed, marking clear progress toward the Lamella system. The Tribuna zone remains one of the busiest areas on site, with cranes, trucks, and materials in continuous movement. A lifting operation is underway as a platform is prepared to be raised, while insulation materials are being handled across the site. Workers continue assembling structural tubes, fitting end rings and aligning components behind the facade system. Some sandwich panels are already installed, while a few sections are still pending final placement. The corner zone shows light but continuous finishing activity, with workers focusing on cleaning and surface preparation of upper structural elements. Some sections are being inspected ahead of painting or final coating. Previously installed supports for the Lamella system remain in place, while lower zones continue with structural materials and mobility core preparation works. The TC3 tower crane continues its precise lifting operation, handling the next compression ring box segment with stability and control. Workers manage alignment guides and support points to ensure accurate positioning. After final adjustments, the box is placed into its exact position, marking another successful installation phase. The operation reflects strong engineering precision and coordinated teamwork across all levels. Finally, we move into the Gol Sud corner sector, where gradual progress continues as crews advance with Lamella support preparations and anchor alignment works across the structure. Several beams still contain visible white markings and untreated connection points, indicating that additional painting and surface treatment must be completed before full Lamella installation can continue in this area. In the lower sections, support structures for the false ceiling system are already in place, while upper bracket zones still await some connection pieces needed for future Lamella supports. Meanwhile, painting activity remains ongoing, with workers using elevated platforms to apply protective coating treatments across selected beam sections as preparation works continue throughout the sector. As we reach the end of today's update, one thing is clearly visible across Camp Nou. This is no longer scattered construction, but a fully synchronized transformation moving at high speed. From the compression ring installations above to the structural and finishing works below, every level of the stadium is advancing together, shaping the future identity of this massive project. The TC3 crane operations, Lamella progress, and ongoing facade developments all point toward one direction: a stadium rapidly entering its final form. And as always, we'll keep tracking every major movement as Camp Nou continues to evolve, one structure at a time.